You can use Microsoft Excel to perform a logical if function. A logical if function looks at a statement. If the statement is true, Microsoft Excel will return a value. If it is false, it will return a different value. Say, for example, you're looking at cell A1 and B1. We'll type a logical if function in cell C1. Remember, all functions start with an equal sign. Now type if, and double-click on the if option. So first we type in the logical test. We want to know, out of cell A1 and B1, which cell is larger. If it is larger, then it will win. So we'll type in A1 is greater than B1. This is our logical test. Now we're going to hit a comma, and in quotes, write A1 wins. We're typing this because if A1 is indeed larger than B1, then cell C1 is going to say A1 wins. However, if this is not true, then cell C1 is going to say B1 wins. Let's go over that again. We're typing in a logical if function into C1, using the statement A1 is greater than B1. If the statement is true, and the number inside cell A1 is larger than the number inside cell B1, then cell C1 is going to say A1 wins. However, if the statement A1 is greater than B1 is false, then cell C1 is going to say B1 wins. Let me show you how this works. We're going to hit enter to confirm and see what happens. The value within A1 is 100 and the value within B1 is 50. 100 is larger than 50, and therefore cell C1 says A1 wins. This is true. If we change the value in B1, say from 50 to 150, and hit enter to confirm, C1 will change. This is because the value within B1 is now larger than the value within A1. Let's type the same function again, just so you can get the hang of it. We're now looking at cell A2, which reads the value 100, and cell B2, which reads the value 125. We're going to type the same function, equals if, and double-click to confirm that we want to use the if function. Now we want the logical test. In this case, it's going to be A2 is greater than B2. If the statement is true, cell C2 is going to read A2 wins. And if the statement is false, cell C2 is going to read B2 wins. Now close parentheses and hit enter to confirm. 125 is indeed greater than 100, and therefore the value within B2 is larger than A2, so B2 wins.